All right, guys, 2002 Dodge Ram. Had the stereo in, wasn't getting power, etc., etc. So instead of explaining why, if you're watching this, you'll know why. On your black wire coming off your harness, run it to that bolt, run it up, tie it in, and then your deck will power up. The problem is the blue white that comes off the little wire harness guy that you buy. Says it's antenna, it's not. It's for an amp. Run that to red. So I got my red wire coming off my deck, and it splices off like the head unit, and then it goes to blue and red. So when the red powers in, it goes down. Same thing with that blue. Runs back to wherever the amp is, and then your stuff will work. You're welcome.